supposed to almost hover?
Yeah, almost.
Okay. I can get mine to just stay there. Whoa, don't get flown through.
Touch and go!
Yeah, you're good. What is that? Oh, it's two of them.
What are they?
I don't know what they are. Oh, they're two of the big Sikorskis. Two of the big Sikorsky. I can't remember the number, but they're Sikorsky helis. I just don't want to hurt it. That's why I didn't move. What are you doing?
I don't know.
Time remaining.
I'm going to be hanging out over here mainly.
I'm gonna put a new controller on this.
Okay. I can go backwards and everything with this thing.
Whoa!
Sorry to see your Mustang get smashed.
Me? My Mustang didn't get smashed.
What was it that got mid-ear?
Oh, that was a MiG.
Oh, your MiG. Oh, sorry. I
BMX
thought it was a red tail Mustang.
Oh, no. My Mustang's fine.
But the MiG's gone, huh?
Yeah, the MiG's done. That's okay. That's kind of my fault because I couldn't.
Going after Keon at about a quarter of the speed.
I'm going back up.
Go. Make sure everything's good.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Motor loose. Oh, the cowl. Okay. I'll back up to you. See if it'll come. Oh, there we go. Not to the sun. Ah! There we go. Alright, I gotta go. Too hard to keep it there. There we go. I'm trying. If the wind wasn't so bumpy, it would just stay there. Wah! The wind is buffeting so much. If it wasn't for that, I'd be able to put it wherever I wanted. Yeah, it's crazy now. That's enough.
I want to see you catch it.
I do. Well, that's the only way I can land it.
Let's see you, Ray.
You out of here?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm just saying let's see.
Oh, see you catch it? I thought you were going to leave.
Over.
Alright, Ray. Oh! I gotta get out of there.
I'll get it. This thing is
pressure,
cool.
Ray, no pressure.
Oh, that's what I always do.
No pressure, Ray.
Whoa, my God.
Oh, no pressure,
It's bouncing
Ray.
like crazy. Sheesh. Oh,
Oh, Mike.
It's the only way I can land it, so I have to catch it. I have no choice.
No pressure. No pressure.
I have no choice. Not even that. Seriously, that weighs like... It's... neither.
Watch out, you get killed.
Well, I was going to catch it. I was going to catch it, but the wind had
Are you hitting a thermal?
Yeah, it is, because it just took off. I usually start lower than myself. Dink!
That's a gyro?
Yeah. What? It's built in. It's built in.
Sounds like coming for fueling, you know? Or
I know.
like jogging.